Hello guys, I'm Philip. So welcome to my channel, LearnTech Philo. So today we are going to learn on how to create simple submission form using HTML. So just watch my videos till the end. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. So let's start, guys. So submission forms, they are good one. You need to know the requirement of the person you need to create a submission form. A company may have a different design, they may require different design. So you just need to understand what company requires. Then after that, you need to design a good submission form. So what you need to do is just understand the codes. Then from there, you can apply the format that you wish to apply in your forms and hold your website to look nice and look more interactive. So there's no more need to look for other things like like the other programming languages. But for today, you create a simple creation form. We need to create a simple submission form using HTML. So just let's start, guys. So what you do, you just open your notepad. You open your notepad. There's a code compiler. You just open it. Then you can max, you can, okay, sorry, you can maximize your screen. Then after that, you just type the normal, you just type the normal, the normal basic tanks, the normal basic tanks of HTML. So just type that. Then we have HTML, we have view class HTML. In between HTML, tags, you can write, let's say you can write something like add this end, then this end, then you can write, you can close your add tags, you can close your add tags. In between add, you can write title. In between tags, you can creating submission forms, then you close, then you close. In between after add, you can write. In between add, you can write body. After add tags, you can write body, then you close. You close body tags. So then you can write in between body, you can write heading, you can write heading, then you can write out, to, or you can write a symbol submission submission form. Then you close your heading tags, you close your heading tags, you close your heading tags. Then you can save your work. You can say Control S to save your work. Just come and save. Let's say you save Amazon Amazon Amazon.html sorry dot html dot ht sorry html. HTML. You save your work, save your work. You can just come here, you open, then you go to documents, you open you search for Amazon. Let's wait for it to open. So you can look how it appears. 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 I just a symbol submission form. That is the heading. A symbol submission form. So first thing you need to create. Just need to write. Just go to your coding. Then you continue writing in between body tags. That's where you insert your form. You can write form action, form action, then equals. You can write form action. Okay, you can write form action equals to. Write equals to. Then you put a strong. Now action. Then you put this one. You put this sign. You can write your page. Dot php. So that one give the computer that it will execute that form. It is a form. The thing that will for that it means it is a form. So just need to write that php action. So that one is it will show that is a form. So what you need to do, you just continue writing, then you go to input test. You can write input test, input type, input type, input type, input type. You can go and write input type. So input type. Before you put that input type, you can write your first name. You can write your first name. You can write your first name, first name, first name. Then you can input test, input type. You can write it's a test, input type test, input type test, name, name, first name, first name, Then you can close your work, you can close your work. Then you write BR BR. Then after first name here you can write required, to show that it must be inserted. When you put required, it shows that it must be inserted. Then so after I put this sign, it means anything that will appear beyond this sign, it will be moved to another line. So you just need something like form, whereby it have first name, second name, like last name, then you have phone number, email. You can have a, like you choose on a country, you can then you submit your work. So it needs to have a certain order. So it is all about you what you require the form to appear live. So it's just a symbol. It just starts from here. First name, when you put up, you put test name, you post first name, then you required, you can write. So what you just need to do instead of typing all these things again, you just need to copy paste. You need to copy paste. You need to copy paste. You need to copy paste from here up to there. You can write, you can copy, you copy. Then here you just pasting, start pasting. Just pasting. You paste, you paste, you paste. Okay, like that. Then you can start editing. Like say that this one is a write last name, last name. Then here you can write last name required. Here you can write phone number, phone number. Phone number. You can write and continue and write username, username. Then you can write in the between first name. You can write as name. So that's an information for username. Just write as names. So then you can run your program. You can save. Then just come here and you refresh. You refresh. Just look how it appears. 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 So you minimize. You can minimize. You can minimize. You can minimize. Then you just come here. Just come here. Then you continue writing. You continue writing. You can continue writing. You have inserted phone number. You have inserted username. You can insert it for first name and last name. You can do to something else. Like you can insert can insert the email address, email address, email address, email address. Then you can write test, should be a test. Then here sorry so first name equals to first name required. Then you can just come here, name equals to email. You can write email, so after that you can continue and write something like, you can set something like set password. You can write set password. Then in between the test, instead of test you can write password. Then in between here you can write PSW. Then it means is required, it means is required, it means is required, it means that it's required. Then you can save your work. Then you can just come here and you refresh me. See, you have set a password, you have set a password, you have set the email address, you have set the email address. You can use the username. See, you have set the username, you have set the phone number, you have set the last name, you have set the first name. So you can write anything, there, write anything. Then after there we're just going. So we need to continue writing our program. We need to continue writing our program. We need to continue writing our program. So the last thing you need to do is you insert submit. You can submit. You can submit. You can submit. So here, instead of writing this, just cancel that. Then this one you can move it to the next line. Then in between here, instead of text, you insert password. You insert not password. Sorry, you just insert submit, 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 submit. Instead of name, you insert value. Then in between the just insert first name, we just insert submit, submit, submit. Then you can save your work. Just come here, just come here and you refresh you refresh your work. Okay, sorry guys, there. And in input type you have input type submit. Look for value, submit. Yeah, close. So you just remove this one required. You just remove required because you just remove required. So let's see the just refresh. site. You just refresh your site. Before you refresh, you can close. You can close your phone. 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 Then you save. So that okay. Sorry there, guys. You see where we have missed it. Input type submit. Then most value we have submit and a close upon. So just so we have seen the so guys, be careful when you're writing these codes, because when you leave only one sign, it changes everything. Because you can see only this sign was making it not to appear here, but now it has appeared. Just write everything correctly. So just it's there. You submit. So guys, look what I was telling you now. When you click on this submit, see, when you click on submit, it says you must fill out that field. So it must be filled. It must be filled. So you can write that is a simple submission form. You can put other styles. You can insert many styles as you can. You can write as many styles as you can. You can write as many styles as you can. So you can make changes to the form. You can insert background color. You can insert images, background image. You can write many things as you can. So that's how you can create a simple submission form using HTML. So guys, hope that my video has helped you. So keep on following me on my YouTube channel, LearnTech Philo. So that's so that's there. Just close your